Hello, my water lemons. Today I'll be teaching you 5-digit divided by 2-digit. So 97,531 divided by 42. First, you draw a line and then really long line. You already know if you saw my videos, my other ones. So then we write the 97,531 here and then 42. So now we think 42 times what equals 9. 9 is smaller than 42, so we write 0 because 42 times 0 equals 0, and 0 is close to 9. So then 42 times what equals 9? 42 times what or close to what? 42 times what is close to 97? I'm gonna guess 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. That is closest to 97, so we write 84. Let me just move this out of the way. Okay. I'm just going to make it smaller for you. No. Oh no. It's just disappeared. The 4 thing. So then we subtract it. Oops, that's a bit wobbly. Yeah, that's better. So then 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 9 minus 8 equals 1. So then we bring this 5 down here next to the 3. So that's 135. Oh wait. Oh, I forgot to write the 2 above the 7. Sorry. You have to write it there, or else you won't get your answer. There's going to be one blank spot, right there, and you won't know the answer, so you have to do it again. So then 42 times what equals 135? 42, I'm guessing. How about 42 times 3? I'm gonna write it smaller, but I can't write that small because I can't. So I'm just gonna move it over there too. 3 times 2 equals 6. Wait, let me just rub that out for you because it's you can't really see it clearly. So then 3 times 4 equals 12. And that is the closest to 135. And we write 3 above the 5 and 126. Then we use this lasso to get it out the way and resize it. Okay. And we put it below the other multiplication. And then we subtract it again. And then 5 is smaller than 6, so we borrow from a 3. And then we get the 15. Then 15 minus 6 equals 9. 2 minus 2 equals 0, and then 1 minus 1 equals 0. And then we bring this 3 next to the 9, and we have 93. And 93 is just very close to 97. So we use 2 again, because 84 plus 42 would be larger than 97 and 93. Oops. Then we write the 84 underneath the 93. And then we subtract it. 3 is smaller than 4, so we write 13 because we're borrowing from the 9, and that makes 8. So 13 minus 4 equals 9. Then 8 minus 8 equals 0. So we have a 9, and we bring down the 1 over here next to the 9. And then I'm going to write the 92 smaller because I don't have enough space left. Okay. 91. And then there's supposed to be a 0 here. 91. And then 42 times what equals 94, 91, but closest to 91. It's 2 again, because we all know, but if you don't know, I'm gonna say it, because 84 plus 42 equals something larger than the 90s, so we write 84. 84. And then subtract it. I'm going to subtract it over here because I don't have enough space. And I don't have enough space there. So I'm going to write it a bit more here. Minus. We have to borrow from the 9 because 1 is smaller than 4. So we have 11. And then 11 minus 4 equals 7. And then 8 minus 8 equals 0. So then, we write the 7 over there. I don't have enough space, so it kind of looks like a C. Sorry for the background noise because it's just a car. So then, we write remainder 7. I'm going to rub all of that out because we don't have enough space. So the answer is 97,531 divided by 42 equals 2322 remainder 7. Okay, I'm very sorry. It's very hard to write on the iPad, so yeah. 2322 remainder 7. So it's read as 2,322. I just didn't have enough time to say it. Analyze it because I had to say the whole thing. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.